we talked about energy. The first time EFF yakhishwe parliament it was because sasithi abantu baseMarikana must find justice because the ANC government killed them. So it's not true, but yabona abantu abathi no, let's move on and so on and so forth. Bafana nabantu bebethi during apartheid. Nina man qho apartheid asikhulume ngento ezinye. But when apartheid nayiseyisukile, you know, it's as if nabo kade bezabalaza, kade beyilwela inkululeko. If you want jobs, if you want to have a stable economy, udinga i-government engekho corrupt. If you're going to preside over an economy eyenziwe ukuthi kube nemisebenzi lapho imisebenzi ayiphumi ngama-membership card ukuthi uvotele bani, mawufuna i-government yeyinkokheli ezihlonipha imali yomphakathi, kumele u-addresse udaba lasenkandla, because that is why we are in the mess we are in South Africa, is because of corruption. Even if we have big economic growth, that economic growth is unable to trickle down because iy'nkokheli zethu who are inside government, they are corrupt. So you can have a big investment ezokwenza ukuthi kube nemisebenzi eyi-100,000. Na ifika leyo investment bazoyiphawula bayithathela imindeni yabo nabangani babo. Until you have honest leadership that respects the laws of the country, that respects the resources of the people, they're not going to have a stable economy that works for all of us. So that's why Nkandla is important. That is why it's important to hold everybody from the council. So nawe elokishini la kumele ube nenkandla yakho ekumele uyidimanda kumeya, kumele ube nenkandla yakho ekumele uyidimanda kwi-council, because all of them are engaged in corruption. That is what we mean. So if we let President Jacob Zuma go, it's going to be fashionable with nama-council azoakha ama-swimming pool bathi security, bazofuna ukwakhelwa ama-swimming pool bakhele you know, ama-chicken run, nama-kral wey'nkomo. But no, this is security. What will you say? Because you would have allowed Jacob Zuma to say that isibaya sey'nkomo, it's a security feature. So we have to fight this, because until we create a leadership that is not corrupt, there is nothing that is going to go right. So the caller must understand that is we're trying to build honest leadership that cares about the people, that it cares about itself.
Ndlozi came from